big truck, big wheels, big ideas, big money. Yep.
Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be more of a vlog style video probably. Going to be doing a couple different things, but it is a truck build video. I've got a buddy coming over shortly. We're going to be replacing the passenger side front door on the truck. It's beat up and I honestly don't know what happened to it. But I've got a used door that we've made look good, it was good. It had two little dents that we had to fix and then cleaned it up, painted it white. We're gonna go ahead and put that on today. So my buddy's gonna be here any minute now. Look at that joke.
Hey, it's Braden. Hi, you got the extendocito, cuz.
Hey,
wow.
I need something to make me look good. Kinda need to steal a battery from this truck to go into this truck and drive this truck into that garage. Let's bring this truck in the garage.
Okay.
And then go get some slushies.
Okay. Yeah.
Because it's hot as hell out here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. There's no mass airflow sensor.
This side's not leaking. It's this other side. Listen to that. That sounds so bad.
So, I put new brake lines on the other day.
I'm gonna keep pumping to see if it gets better.
It does a little bit, and then you start rolling, it doesn't. So I put new brake lines in the other day when I did all the front end stuff, and I didn't bleed the brakes at all.
I'm still pumping.
Because I didn't have anyone to help me.
Okay, we're gonna roll forward. Oh yeah, there's like nothing for brakes.
No.
I'm on the brakes.
Well, made it into the garage, built the garage, getting destroyed by truck having pretty much no brakes.
I'm glad I opened the window because there's no handle here.
What do you mean there's no handle there?
Oh, I forgot. It's the same as mine.
This idiot has the same truck.
Yeah.
And he didn't realize where the handle was.
That's right.
Slushies.
Yep.
Alright, so we now need to loosen all four of these bolts. Two there, two down here. They are 10 mil. So Braden's gonna go ahead and do that.
You can get the one with a ratchet, but the second one over here, because you have this bolt that goes up here, you have to get this one off of the wrench. But.
Or you loosen it off, this one off of the ratchet, and then you can get at it.
Oh, like a glove? Okay, so now we're gonna take this wiring harness out. It doesn't just unplug there like lots of vehicles do. You actually need to go and pop this cover off that's here. Take this wire out, just push like that. Take that one out.
Okay, so now we got a light on here. You're able to see this wire here, this harness. Disconnect that one, and also this one right here. Those three, and then should be able to pull it out. And there we go, doors out.
Now the Jeep.
Rocking the Jeep life. Just like that, we have a new door on. Nice new door. It has not been painted from the outside yet, it's just white primer. So if it looks a little bit different than this door, that is why. And it also doesn't have all the damage, huge dents, and rust on the bottom. As you can tell on the inside of the door here, we do have clear coat. It is properly painted. This part is what we call pre-paint to the door, and then once this back door is fixed and the rockers are fixed, then we will get the whole side of the truck, or maybe even the whole truck painted, which will then be when this door gets painted. We have now adjusted the new door. Okay, so how we unbolted it, we just unbolted from the brackets, so the brackets actually stayed on. So they were adjusted to exactly what this other door was. What we did need to do afterwards is we did have a little bit of too much of a gap on the top here, and not enough gap by the fender, obviously. So it was too far over. So we had to loosen these 3 bolts off here, and the fender bolt. There's 3 bolts in here. They're all 13 mil along with that one. Loosen those 3 off, and then we slid it over a bit, and now she lines up pretty nice. Now we also have the same amount of gap here that we do on the other side, so it looks good. Now the gap's set, ready to take everything from this door and put it into this door and finish this. Alright, so I'm working on getting the window back in now. I've got everything else ready to go far enough that the window can go in. But I don't know if you can hear that. That window is full of overspray. Actually, I'm pretty sure all my windows are now. That's for me not covering anything like an idiot when I did the front end. But I thought I would go ahead and show you guys a nice little trick. So I have wiped this off with glass cleaner. You can still hear that, which means there's a lot of overspray on there. You get fine steel wool, and you just a little bit of pressure. So that fine steel wool, rub it along the whole glass, and takes off almost all the contaminants, and definitely works really good to take off overspray and other garbage that's stuck on your glass. All right, I now have everything put in, ready for the inner door panel to go back on. I just got to clean that up. It's been actually sitting in the back of the truck for a while, so it's all dusty and dirty. Also, just like the other pieces over there for the controls and that door handle piece, we have a new piece here. Got the switches put in there, and then we got this guy here. Once again, color matched to the truck. So that will be going back on the new door panel here after I get it cleaned up because it's gross. So I got the door panel on, and I hear, I don't know if you can hear that. Well, I'll tell you what that is. That is the rod for this door handle not hooked up. Well, guess I'm taking the door panel off. Alright, so got it all back together here. Obviously that door still needs a lot of cleaning, but it's back together and we are good to go with that door. Other than, I just realized there's a like weather stripping type of seal that's supposed to go down here.
and a couple plugs. Gotta put those on, those are still in the old door. But I'll grab those and do that right away. Other than that, the new door is in. Doesn't need to be painted from the outside. Actually doesn't even look too bad like this. Consider wrapping the whole truck matte white. I don't know, what do you think? Anyway, that's it for that, and that's also it for this episode. So, episode number 4 I think, of Truck Rebuild. New doors on. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Please subscribe for more future content. See you guys in the next one.
So, look at that sad face. We need to buy him new pants.
What do you think? Can I get a GoFundMe for that? Positive side, it's easy to itch your balls. I'm gonna tell you, there's one thing I can get in the hole. And I feel so stupid about that. Like, how did I not notice that there was something under the truck? This freaking chair. But positive side, the chair's good. Truck's good. Didn't scratch the front end. We're good to go. Subscribe for more stupidity, apparently.